if you're doing the Ls400 swap on your IS300 and you don't know how to take these out to put the new adapters in, you get the bolt that comes with the caliper. You screw it in, and you just get your hammer and hit it until it falls off, and I'll show you guys. Yo, so I forgot to film how to press in the new adapter. But as you can see, I got them on. So once you get the whole threading out, you just get the adapter, the new adapter. You could use a C-clamp. It's got to be a thick one because the one I use bent. Or I also use the, I think, a bench vise or a vice grip, whatever this is called. And then you just do that, and that's how you press it in. And then I had a problem with one of the adapters. It sat too high, so I had to drill the hole out a little bit bigger. I think I use a 1/2 inch drill bit. I'm not too sure what size, but I just made it a little bit bigger and it slid right in. The other side was fine. It was just the side that gave me problems. Alright,